Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel, Startup Yourself. We're back with another amazing and useful video that just might set you up for life. If you're into investment and stocks, or even if you know anything about cryptocurrency, then you'll know that Bitcoin has become all the rage these recent years. It has made average people millionaires. Just recently, ARK Invest CEO Cathie Wood, Square and Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey, and Tesla SpaceX CEO Elon Musk were seen talking about Bitcoin live at a B-Word event. Let's see what these top investors have to say. Without further ado, this live event was organized by the Crypto Council for Innovation, the CCI, a global alliance of crypto industry leaders. According to the event website, the B-Word is a Bitcoin-focused initiative that aims to demystify and destigmatize mainstream narratives about Bitcoin, explain how institutions can embrace it, and raise awareness around areas of the network that need support. So what were the key takeaways of the talk? First of all, Elon Musk views money as an information system for labor allocation. According to him, there are a lot of inefficiencies in the mainstream physical monetary system of credit cards and bank transfers that Bitcoin and crypto have the potential to improve. Elon shared that he personally owns a large holding of Bitcoin as well, in addition to some Ethereum and Doge. Tesla and SpaceX companies have also invested in Bitcoin. Up next, Jack Dorsey, CEO of Square and Twitter, says that a native internet currency like Bitcoin is an opportunity to replace the predatory financial system with a new foundation. This will allow for more business models with less reliance on advertising. Cathie Wood, CEO of ARK Invest, believes that Bitcoin plays a crucial role as hedge against confiscation of wealth, a commonplace problem especially in countries with hyperinflation or high inflation rates. It creates economic opportunity and grants personal property rights. She also makes another well-grounded point. According to her, Bitcoin has the potential to reform the high remittance fees in cross-country money transfers for those who may be trying to send money back home to family or friends. This is significant because as of now, remittance is a $700 billion industry. Furthermore, Elon Musk has some innovative and interesting ideas about making a space heater that doubles as a Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Doge mining node. He thinks that Bitcoin is tough to scale as a currency at first layer, but it may work at second layer through a Lightning network. Aside from Bitcoin, Elon also expressed his liking for Doge, especially because of the reverence of the community. He says he likes dogs and memes, and we can't help but agree with him. Elon thinks that with Doge, anything is possible. The most ironic and entertaining outcome may be the most likely, as he has a point. After all, Doge started out as a joke and a satire on online payments, but went on to become a legitimate investment prospect. Nevertheless, Elon is being big on Bitcoin, so he probably sees more chances of Bitcoin becoming the top currency. In fact, this could be a warning bell for people who are going all in on Doge, thinking that it's going to become the next big thing. If what Elon says is any indication, his total investment in Doge can't be any more than 0.1% of his total assets. Elon went on to say that energy usage spiked earlier this year as price of Bitcoin went up, and it's impossible to spike that much with renewable energy sources because renewables take a lot of time. But now, as the prices went down, energy usage has plummeted as well. He even expressed that he is putting together plans for Tesla to start accepting Bitcoin as payment in the future. At this point, Cathie Wood asked Elon about a recent paper published by ARK and Square on Bitcoin, claiming that it re-incentivized renewable energy sources. Elon replied that mining needs to be done 24/7 and not just overage, but he sees potential in hydro, nuclear, solar, and with battery too in the long run. Jack Dorsey is a skeptic about the government and the corporations when it comes to Bitcoin, and he's using Square and Twitter to push for more decentralization. Elon pushed Jack to accept crypto as payment from Twitter advertisers, as it would do well for the currency, but Jack said that he was more focused on trying not to rely on advertising at all. Although in the end, it was not clear whether or not Jack has plans to pursue this. Elon then makes another compelling case. He says that crypto is probably a good thing when it comes to empowering the individual, as opposed to the government, and it allows for less error and less fraud. He points out that the government is essentially just a corporation, but with monopoly over certain things like taxation and violence. Jack Dorsey finally expresses his hopes that Bitcoin would be able to contribute to world peace by changing the foundation of money and thereby changing everything that it's built upon that, like power of government and violence. Bottom line is, Cathie Wood, Jack Dorsey, and Elon Musk all agree on the expectation that Bitcoin will empower the individual and reduce the power of the government and its related rights on properties, wars, and etc. And it is this ideal and belief in crypto's ability to bring reform that unites these three thought leaders together. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, then go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Do not hesitate to let us know if you have any questions in the comment box below too. We'll see you again in our next video. Until then, take care.